Hi guys, I'm going to be unboxing the Hegen double electric pump set today, and as you can see it comes in this really nice peach colored box and I can't wait to open it. I think it's this way. First thing I see is a welcome message. It says, "Welcome to our Hegen family." And there's also a warranty card here. And this is the set. I removed the seal earlier so that it would be easier to open here. And as you can see, it comes with two bottles with the pumps, the pump heads, and this is the electric pump. It's really small and handy. You can see it's just like, you know, my palm size. This is really, really cool because you can just easily bring it with you on the go to the office. And one of the things I found really impressive about this was that it's an electric pump set, but it actually comes with the manual lever that you can just easily convert this from an electric into a manual pump. So you have two options, and this is actually quite cool. So I believe you will have to, you know, kind of, I'm still figuring it out because this is the first time I'm, you know, actually trying to figure it out. But I'm sure it'll be pretty easy because it looks like just attachments that you take out and put on. And one thing really special about the Hegen bottles is because, you know, the lids are just so easy to kind of lock on. And so you don't have to like really bother with all the screwing and stuff. So yeah, oh, it looks really, really pretty. I cannot wait to use it. So it comes with two sides, and then these are the storage caps. So the wonderful thing about Hegen, I think that really attracted me to it was the fact that they want to make the whole process of breast pumping easy. You can just pump, you can just clip it on, and you can just store. And, you know, rather than kind of be transferring your milk from place to place. So these are the valves, I believe. I'm a first-time mom, so all these things are like really, really interesting to me. And I'm just really excited. So I'm not sure what this is, but it's kind of lodged in. Okay, but it's a kneading ring. I'm sure it does something. And of course you have a booklet here that it's a bit thick because I think it comes in different languages, but I think it basically tells you everything that you need to know in case, you know, you just want a quick reference. So overall, it's a really, really cool pump, very handy. I can see this fitting into like any bag, any small bag, and you can just easily bring it with you on the go. I'm just really excited to get them all washed up, sterilized, and packed so that, you know, I will have it with me during my delivery stay. Yep, that's all. Thank you for watching.